How to log in to Instagram Lite account. So if you want to log into Instagram Lite, then first of all you need to install the application. So to install, you need to open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Instagram Lite, and then you have to install the application from here. And after installing, you can tap on open, and it will take you to the Instagram Lite application. So if you have already created an account and saved your account, then it will show up here. But if you want to log in with another account, then go for switch accounts, which is on the bottom left, and then here you have to enter your mobile number or your username or your email address on the first blank, and then on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your login details, then you can go for get help logging in, and then you can recover your password, or you can get some help to log into your account. Or if you have linked your Facebook with your Instagram, then you can continue with your Facebook account. So if you have not linked it, then simply enter your mobile number and then your password or email address and then your password, and then go for login. Simply tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.